How to fix YouTube cannot add to playlist. So to quickly fix YouTube's cannot add to playlist issue, you can check the video type. You cannot add videos or channels marked as made for kids to custom playlists from the home page. Now the next thing what you can do is update the app. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and then find YouTube. And if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next thing what you can do is offload the app. Just go to your device's settings, then go to General. Now tap on iPhone storage. Now find YouTube from the list, tap on it, tap Offload App. Once you tap on Offload App, immediately tap Reinstall App. This will clear your corrupted files. Now the next thing what you can do is log out and then log back in. Open your YouTube channel, then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on your name at the top of your screen. Now tap the three dot icon in the top right corner, then go to settings. Now tap switch or manage account. Now tap manage accounts on this device and then select your channel. Then tap remove from this device. Once you tap remove from this device, you will immediately be logged out from your channel. Once you're logged out, immediately log back in. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.